going to be working out here on this pool enclosure, adding some 1x2 along the bottom to rescreen in the bottoms after they just put in some travertine here. And we're going to be lifting up the doors so the doors can properly function again. So let me give you a little view of that. Do a little kick down here, little step down here, bring that in, and then we'll have to put the dog door here. This line out here, get all the screen taken out around the sides. Ready to go, so we can lay the new track in, the 1x2 track on the bottom. Now that we have the track in here and fastened in, we're going to drill. So we can attach with the tap-ons. And hold it to the ground. As you can see, we got the new clips mounting it to the uprights. We got the tap cons installed. Got the step up here. And we got the screen going in right now. So, all the track on the bottom, the 1x2 track is now mounted. Heavy angle on the corners, on each upright, fastened in. So now we got the door reinstalled, lifted back up. We had to take out the door header here. So we're going to install the door header back in at the higher height. And we put a new buck sweep on. And we're going to put a new closer kit. Now we got the header across here, refastened. Just got to screen this panel here, right there. Got a nice little reveal here, so the door closes nicely. So the opening's ready for the door to go back in. Put the new hinges on here. I'm going to set the door in the right height. I'm going to fix this here with a piece of plate and put a new hardware kit on the door with the new latch and plunger and everything. Everything's all screened in now. back along the bottoms in. Pet doors in. Get a nice little kick plate pie here. Fill that in.